He's hanging out. Sorry.
So we are just under 3 minutes now until the Bank of England rate decision. As I say, it's widely expected they would keep their bank rate unchanged at spot 1% and the asset purchase program unchanged at 745 billion. We'll also get June factory orders from Germany month on month, looking for 10.1% on a prior 10.4%, the range 2 to 20%.
I really like Halle Berry, but I thought I had her all to myself.
You could have her. She's kind of a nut job, man.
I didn't mean the real Halle Berry. Yeah, unfortunately, I dated a few actresses and don't want to go there again.
One minute.
Time to watch myself get stopped out on mobile.
Come on, Morbo, make us rich.
There goes the spread.
Unchanged there from the Bank of England, keeping their bank rate unchanged at spot 1% and their gilt purchases there at 725 billion.
DAX is up so far.
German factory orders there for June, 27.9%, and the working day adjusted year on year at negative 11.3%. So just moving back to the Bank of England, they voted 9-0 to keep it unchanged on the bank rate. So just to recap that, the Bank of England there saying that they expect UK GDP is expected to have been over 20% lower in 2020 in Q2. It says the Bank of England here, the MPC will keep under review the range of actions that could be taken, and they will continue to monitor the situation closely and stand ready to adjust monetary policy accordingly to meet its remit. The BOE there saying that the MPC projections assume that direct impact of COVID-19 on the economy dissipates gradually over the forecast period. So just to recap that all then, Bank of England MPC votes 9-0 to maintain asset purchase programme and rates on hold unchanged, keeping the asset purchase programme at 745 billion with the bank rate at spot 1%.
There we go.
The Bank of England here saying that the risks of the outlook for their GDP are judged to be skewed to the downside.
Well, that was not very impressive.
Oh my god.
Yep, Miles again.
So the Bank of England
Same
sees UK GDP at negative 9.5% in 2020. That's better than their May scenario of negative 14%. Sees UK GDP up 9% in 2021, slightly worse than their estimate of up 15% in May. The Bank of England here saying they won't target, or they won't tighten until inflation is sustainably moving to target. So just to repeat that, the Bank of England saying they won't tighten until the inflation is moving sustainably to target. And on that, they see UK CPI at spot 2.5% in 2020.
Back down.
Yep,
Yay, I didn't get stopped out.
resistance is holding. Unbelievable.
And finally on the projections, we will put the full piece from the BOE on the board, but they see UK unemployment at 7.5% in 2020 versus a May scenario of 8%.
I didn't even look yet. I took a piss and got a coffee. Did I get my 50 pips?
Not on pound yen. Pound yen's on its way back down.
31 on cable and pulling back.
Pound yen cleared a few pips for me. That's about it.
Euro dollar went to resistance, perfectly bounced off.
Aussie dollar bounced off resistance as well.
DAX is cruising up, so that's a redemption.
Yeah, not for long.
Nasdaq's back above VWAP. That's my worry. Nikkei's got a bit of room to go to VWAP as well if it's going to pull back the whole way.
Oh, you think the DAX is going to punish?
I'm probably going to get stopped out very soon.
If the currencies move too strong, the DAX is gonna have some trouble. Wow, there is a huge delay recently. Did you guys notice that?
Like in news to market impact, or
Yeah.
Not that I've specifically noticed myself. Aussie yen's trying shit.
Yeah, Euro yen is trying to break out.
I'd appreciate if it didn't.
Pound yen just gave me all my immediate profit and set my stop losses. That's nice. Yeah, that's the 50 pips. That's what happens with the 50 pips. Now let's see what we get.
Aussie dollar's going up. I'm gonna get stopped.
Sheesh, man, it's crazy, man. All the pound pairs going back up again.
Well, this time, Omega Man, I agree with you.
It's just a lot of volatility.
It's like a kid in a candy shop right now. Doesn't know which way to go.
Yeah, I don't trust it. I mean, it's going up, but it's just going up to a previous, like a little channel.
Yeah, going nowhere fast.
Yeah.
Bank of England here saying uncertainties about the impact of negative policy rates arise, particularly from the tendency for household deposit rates to not fall below zero.
Holy shit, I have huge lag here. I'm gonna close it.
Damn, now it's freaking. Wow.
Fuck that, I'm out of everything. This is like hugely slow. I just clicked I pressed the button on the stream deck to remove my take profit, and it just didn't react at all. Oh, fuck that, I'm
as a
out.
tool to stimulate the economy, says the Bank of England.
Oh, shit, that was a mistake. Oh my god, look at that.
Okay, pound yen.